Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to set up cloud storage on Android. Cloud storage on Android helps you save files online so they can be accessed from any device. It also protects your data in case your phone is lost or damaged. The steps below show how to set it up properly. To begin, unlock your Android device, then open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Accounts or Passwords in Accounts, depending on your device. Choose Add Account, and choose a cloud service such as Google Drive or Google account. Sign in with your Google email and password. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete account setup. Open the Google Drive app and install it from Play Store if needed. Confirm that your account is properly linked, and tap the plus button, then choose Upload to upload files manually. Allow permissions for files, photos, and media access. Choose what types of data you want to backup, like photos, contacts, or documents. Enable Backup and Sync in Google Drive settings if available. Check your cloud storage regularly to ensure backups are running successfully. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.